today I'm going to be working out my chest. So I'm going to go in and kind of walk him through the workout with me, and at the same time give you a little bit of pointers on how I come in and I do my chest workout, okay? So let's go check it out. When I come to the gym, I like to do light reps first. So usually I'll do like 15 reps. It's smooth. Yep. So the reason why I like to start with light weights with a lot of reps is to kind of get the blood flowing, get everything going, get your heart rate up, loosen up everything before you start hitting heavy weights. So now we're gonna do some decline. And what I normally do when I come to a workout, I kind of have I try to picture how I want to structure my chest to build it. So I like to start upper, then I like to go lower, then I like to go wide, and then at the end, I like to work my middle part of my chest. So now we're gonna do the lower part, okay? So how I adjust this, the seat on this, is basically, you're gonna wanna drop it to where this is aligned with your nipple. You just wanna push straight down, right? When you push straight down, keep it back, and just straight. And the whole time you're doing this, you want to flex. Flex. Keep that flex. Cool. Good. Go ahead. Keep this. Flex this. There you go. Keep flexing. Good. Good. Keep it smooth. Good. Yeah. There you go. Like 2 more. One more. What I like to do is work a lot of controlled motion because, you know, a little older and I sustained a lot of injuries to my chest, so I really don't mess with flat bench bars. But what I like to do is work a lot of machines because it's a little bit more controlled. Then I can push a little bit more weight. Make sure when you push, right, you keep your back flat, you focus on your back and just push straight up on your chest, okay? Okay. Good, yep. Yep. Same focus, same focus here. Good. There you go. Good. This is a close grip chest, okay? Close grip chest press, right? The way your hands are pressed. There you go. That's perfect. Give me one more. There you go, my man. Good. Bend your elbows a little bit, like you're hugging a tree. It's a rep and hug a tree. So open it up, come up, and like you're hugging a tree. Right? Make sure that something's in between, right? Like that. Go ahead. Like you want to squeeze my finger. Go ahead. Down. Good. There you go. Put it out a little bit more. There you go. Yep. Good. Yep. Good. That's good. All right, come on. So this is the seated machine flies, right? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna focus your cleavage, right? This is the part where you just work, you wanna focus on hugging a tree and squeezing, right? So like you're flexing, right? So the whole time you're doing this motion, you wanna flex your chest, right? So what I like to do is I like to picture that I got this, like a pencil between my chest and I'm squeezing it and I'm gonna keep it there. So this whole motion right here, you see that? Right? I'm flexing the whole time, right? So you want to just flex. Right? So I'm gonna show you real quick. When I go light, what I like to do is I like to do 10, right? And then to expand and close in. And then what I like to do is to really get the middle, this cleavage part, I like to keep it here, and then just do small motions of 10, okay? Rest. Close it. Good. There you go. I'm trying to just shorten it. Straighten the shoulder. Just to fit it. Bring it out front. Okay. Keep it there. After we're done working out, then I kind of find a corner, and then I kind of do a lot of stretching to open up my chest, stretch out that muscle, get the blood going, you know. So I'll do quick stretches, and then I kind of like rub it down, you know what I mean? So one of my favorites one that is put my hand on the wall and just stretch like this. You know, you can really feel it open up my whole chest. And I'll hold it for like 15 seconds, right? And then I'm going to chin this up.